In today's video, I'm going to teach you using a Shopify app. We're going to add a countdown timer to your store using a simple, reliable method that doesn't require any coding. A countdown timer is a great way to highlight limited time promotions, create urgency, and guide shoppers to take action while the offer lasts. Start by heading to your Shopify admin. From there, click on Apps, then open the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Countdown Timer. You'll see a variety of options, including popular choices like Essential Countdown Timer and GSC Countdown Timer Bar. Scan the listings, look at ratings and key features, and choose one that fits your design preferences and needs. When you've found the app you want, click Add App or Install. Shopify may ask you to confirm permissions so the app can display content on your storefront. Go ahead and approve to complete the installation. Once it's installed, you'll be taken into the app's setup area. Now let's customize the timer. First, choose the timer type. If you want something that appears on every page to promote a store-wide sale, a banner or bar is a great option. If you're running a timed deal on a specific product, choose a product-focused timer that sits near the product details. And if you'd like to encourage faster checkout, a cart countdown can remind shoppers to complete their purchase before the timer runs out. Next, set the end date and time. Pick the exact date and time your offer should end. Be mindful of your store's time zone and your audience. Clarity matters, so the countdown reflects the real deadline. Then, customize the appearance to match your brand. Choose colors and fonts that align with your theme, and make sure there's strong contrast so the timer text is easy to read. Keep the message short and action-oriented, and adjust any buttons or labels so they feel consistent with the rest of your site. Decide where the timer will appear. Many banner timers sit at the top of the page, so they're visible without scrolling, while product timers can be placed near images or the Add to Cart section. As you adjust placement, consider the mobile experience so the timer looks clean on smaller screens. Most apps include a live preview, which helps you see changes before you publish them. Finally, save your changes inside the app. Don't skip this step. Saving ensures your settings are applied to your storefront. And that's it. You've successfully added a countdown timer using a Shopify app, and it's ready to support your next promotion.